what's gonna happen. First of all, guten Tag. You know, not being too good at my filmography, but so I got my coal pulled out. Now I need to redo my forge entirely because I'm not getting a consistent heat. I'm not getting a good heat. What I've got is over here. Now, bucket right there, the one that's right side up. Cat litter. I am hoping that this works a lot better than fill dirt. And the reason I'm doing this, or the reason why I'm suspecting fill dirt's the problem, is right here where it's nice and roached, I found clinker on this side. So, yeah, this was an experiment that did not work out well. So I will come back when everything's dumped and then I get to start breaking clinker. That right there is exactly what I was talking about. Look at that. So yeah, I would say that this experiment failed miserably. And that's where I'm at the moment. Thankfully, in a fit of pique yesterday, I ended up making kind of a halfway decent tool for this. So this shouldn't take too much longer. Catch you in the next clip. And here's what I pulled out. That is mostly clinker, a few lumps of coal, and what is left of my fire pot.
The rest of the recording was kind of bad, so I'm doing this as a voiceover. I also had a little bit of clinker stuck to my tweer, so I ended up just hitting it with a hammer until it finally came off. So, see you in the next clip.
So, for those of you who are wondering what my base design is, it's literally just a pipe shoved all the way through a propane grill. DF in the shop called this style of forge a logging camp forge, and that's pretty much what they did. So, and given the resources that I had available, which was to say not much, this seemed to work out just fine. It's just that what I used for my filler was not good. So, round two. Let's see how this one goes. Alright, so I got my mock-up firebox done. Thought about duct taping the whole thing. Decided, you know what, that's more effort than it's worth. So let's see how it sits, and then proceed to muck about with cat litter. It's going to be about like that. Alright, see when it's full. And here it is, as done as it is getting. I could try to fill in that gap, but I'm not that worried about it. because it's all going to be buried under coal. I'm going to come back out here in a few hours and see if I can't safely remove my form and my fire bricks, and it should leave me with enough room to stand. I have 4 fire bricks. I should be able to stand all 4 of them on end. Then I'm gonna have to clean out my tweer because there's all kinds of junk and crap in there. But yeah, so that's this project done for the day, and I will see you when I see you. Have a good one, folks.